just text me all on day. MiJulsz, let me tell you. Let me Kimber. Coating the bottom of the frying pan. Something hot. Box side. Feel good when you're wrapped up in my arms, dancing to a reggae song. Feel good, feel good.
Tell my rival, are we still a win? Whoa, are we still a win? We still a win, we still a win. Are we still a win?
Hey MiJulsz, what's popping? Hey. Me old Julszhassan, me new Julszhassan, me in between Julszhassan. Don't mind, Mama is in the background making up noise. Mom.
Hi, MiJulsz.
Don't
New
be so
Julszhassan,
rude.
all Julszhassan, in between Julszhassan.
So,
love you all.
You lot will be cooking with me today. I'm not making anything pineapple-y. These are just, I bought them today. 75p for one, you know. What's the American equivalent to that? I don't know how much that is in American dollars or whatever, but it's something cents. Very cheap and it tastes really good. So I thought I'll get myself 2 pineapples because, you know, we're trying to eat less out of jars and tins and more, you know, natural things. So today I'll be making, oh my god, what you did? No. Mummy is heating up what you heating up? Heating up shrimp and but you know in the big old bowl. That's how you know he's Jamaican. The big old Dutch pot.
From Jamaica.
The big old Dutch pot. And you know what's funny, MiJulszs? I'm cooking, you know. I'm gonna be cooking as well. So I don't know why Mummy decides to do all of that drama. So guys, we've only got 1 pepper. I'm not very happy about it.
I found one.
I found a little dibby one. You know them dibby things that you find. So I'm making spag bol. I don't know if you can hear me because the water is running. Mum, can't you cut the water until you?
Yeah, just go and then understand you're cooking something else.
Anyways, yes. I hope you can hear me properly because Mum's washing up at the current moment. And I'm peeling the little ingredients. So, God. I'm peeling some carrots. Not some. I'm peeling half a carrot. Half a carrot. I'm going to chop some onions. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to put them in the frying pan. And make them go on to simmer down and whatever. You know. And then I'm going to add the mince after. So if you haven't ever had spaghetti bolognese, it's an Italian meal, but in England we eat that quite a lot. Mum don't like it because she doesn't like mince. I think this is her least favourite meal, but because we haven't had it for a while, I thought to myself, oh, you know, it'd be nice to have a bit of that today. So this is the pepper that I found, this little flimsy pepper. I'm so upset because I was thinking, when I was at the supermarket, I was thinking, oh, should I buy pepper, you know, to give it a bit of a kick. This ain't really going to give me much of a punch. So, I don't know how that's going to work out, but we'll just have to see, innit? Got my tomato here. I won't be cooking a lot of mince, which is why I haven't got like 3-4 tomatoes or whatever. As you know, it's only Mama and I that live together at the moment.
Mama is gonna be yummy shrimp.
So, oh yeah, and Mum's gonna be eating shrimp, so she won't really need a lot of the mince and spaghetti. But the spaghetti that I use these. They're called tagliatelle. Tagliatelle. There we go. Made in Italy. I think for that bag from Morrison it's about £1. You know, I don't think it's more than £1 because your girl, she likes to bargain. This ain't, no, would never be more than £1. Probably 80 something p to be quite honest. Jesus, MiJulszs, I've got a nail, yeah? Let me tell you, Miss Ling didn't do me properly this time because
See it on the cooker, you need to use them.
Yeah, this nail has been affecting me like crazy. It basically is coming off. Ouch. Hello. Hello. and it's really painful, guys. But so I'm not doing my nails until I'm going to Jamaica, yeah, which is precisely a week and a half away from here. Yes, I've got another like 7 odd days with these nails, because good girl, don't got some money this time to be squandering it. To be quite fair though, there's no point me doing my nails now than doing it for Jamaica. Jamaica is literally a week and a half away from here, guys. Literally a week and a half away. So yeah. So yeah, in my spag bowl, I like to do like different ingredients. I put a bit of bell pepper in my spag bowl, and all them good things there. So I thought I'll come and bless y'all with like a little chit chat meal prep, not meal prep, but like a little chit chat vlog of me cooking. I think, to be honest, if I was meant to vlog more in England, it would be mostly cooking vlogs, simply because cooking is something that I enjoy. I do it quite often, and y'all will get to see a bit more of I. But if I was meant to vlog as in when I'm going out in England, it will be very minimal, because I'm a big house rat. My love is thin. I mean, I don't really be going out and whatever. You know, I don't really be going out and whatever. I'll be staying in my house and whatever. That's why you don't get much England vlog and whatever. Turn on these stoves now. I feel good when you're wrapped up in my arms, dancing to a reggae song. Feel good, feel good. I feel good. Ooh, cause your presence is my charm. And only, hey, we don't come again. Dancing to a reggae song. Oh my gosh. Sometimes we should sing. Oh, I'm afraid. Oh, that's mommy's stuff. Something hot. Box side. Papa Jesus, one piece of fire. Cause when I left you, girl, over my skin, just the two of us. I don't know why that song's in my head, and I can't play it because obviously I don't want to get copyrighted, and I obviously want to talk to y'all. So yes, I feel good when you're wrapped up in my arms, dancing to a reggae song. Feel good, feel good. I feel good. Woo. Cause your presence is, I don't know the words to the song. Let me stop before I embarrass myself. So back to my cooking. I will be putting, or should I say I should be coating the bottom of the frying pan. Not really coating the entire bottom of it. So I've just literally put enough in the frying pan to like, let me show you guys. So that's what I've done. Yeah, that's the amount of oil I put in, which is probably too much oil for the human body. However, this is not regular oil. This is rapeseed oil, which is meant to be healthier than olive oil, sunflower oil, cooking oil, olive oil, all them other oils. So yeah, I'll use this. Also, when I'm doing like other frying things, I sometimes use these things, which is like an alternative to actual oil. So I got like the spray version of butter, I got the spray version of coconut oil, I got the spray version of olive oil, which is like, it reduces the fat intake, because you know, see, I get a fluffy and whatever, and you know, so I might love her, oh, she big. But MiJulsz, let me tell you, let me kimber. Oh God, my tits. But MiJulsz, let me tell you, somebody, yeah, somebody felt the need to come up in my comment sections. Up in my comment section, my man just texts me all on day. Okay, somebody felt the need to come up in my comment section. And they were like, oh, you beautiful. And I was thinking, okay, this is going good. Okay, subscriber, hit me with it now. They're like, oh, you're beautiful. I was thinking, okay, what next? But you need to lose a bit of weight. I went, huh? But to be fair, you know, everyone's entitled to their own opinion. You know, I'm not here to slam the subscriber or the passerby, because they're probably not even MiJulsz. You know what I mean? But it's like, hello, hi, not everybody was born to be mager. Do you know what I mean? I'm gonna lie. In my defense, this is gonna sound really shitty, but honestly speaking, I'm looking at myself right now. In my defense, these cameras make you look bigger than you actually are, yeah? I know I'm a bit fluffy, but to only make me look big, I'm not that big, guys. But yeah, like, it didn't faze me. I ain't worried, because my man still loves me, girl. My man still loves me, so I ain't worried one bit. You know, I'm a married woman. And they say when you're happy in your relationship, you gain some weight. So let a nigga, let me live. Let me enjoy my fluffiness for now. You know, later on when the stress can't start licking me my backside with pitney this and, you know, I ain't gonna be able to be big. So let me enjoy my bigness for now, no? So the subscriber road on a road. But yes, MiJulsz, wagwan, talk to me, talk to your girl. Let me tell you, I got a week and a half. I've packed my suitcase. Me and Mummy's packed our suitcase. But you know, Mom, Denise, your pot's killing me. Your pepper pot. Huh? Wasn't I meant to turn it on?
I didn't turn it on.
Oh, sorry. Did you? I thought you were asking me to turn it on.
No.
Oh. Should I turn it off?
Oh my God.
So what was you gonna do? Heat it up?
Yeah, but not yet.
Oh.
You know, heat up and cool and heat again. Maybe you finish your cooking.
Oh.
Which one like? The one you on now? Hmm?
Yeah.
I'm telling you, know the first thing I did move here for that fire. Is that cook?
Oh, you said to move it. No, but I thought you wanted.
No, but you even know them something then.
No, but I obviously thought you wanted to heat it now.
Yeah, but me just tell you though, it's just the coffee already.
Oh, is that what you're talking about? Guys, I can cook. Mom's just trying to put me on blast.
She tried to the prawns.
You're trying to put me on blast, you know, on big YouTube. Hello?
Yeah, please, remember, don't cook more than them something. Definitely.
Mommy, the tagliatelles is not even for you. Yeah, the tagliatelles is for me. So, please. Are you gone again? Ah! Good girl, I'm gonna for ourselves, people. Don't be rude. Do not be calm yourself down, Mr. Frying Pan. Calm yourself down. Guys, I let the frying pan heat. Woo! We sizzling up in here. Why are people coming to criticize my work, please? Yes. Sizzle. Oh my god, it's my tip. Sizzle. But that's definitely a bit too high. Let me turn it down. If this one's ever like them normal cooking oil, I know them been burn up long time. So it like flavors the pan really well. Do you know what I mean? I'm looking at adding everything else, you know. The carrot, all that good stuff. The green bell pepper. Yes. You know when you've been like, you haven't had a meal for so long, you're so excited to eat it. Yeah, that's me right about now. Adding a bit of water. And you know as well, when you're ever gonna like boil spaghetti and tagliatelles, right? If you put the water in the kettle, yeah, and you boil the kettle, that will reduce your cooking time by about 5 minutes, because it will basically your that pepper's really getting to me. Basically your where am I? Yeah, basically your spaghettis. What was I gonna say with me? Yeah. So once it goes on the fire, it will just be boiling instantly. You won't have to wait. You know, like if you don't boil it in the kettle, you're gonna have to wait 5 or maybe 10 minutes for it to really get that boil going. If you boil the water before you actually put it in the pan, it saves you some time, girl. Your girl's about to boil her water. Look how cute my kettle is. Guys, it's blue. Comment below whose favourite colour is blue. Let me see if you lots pay real attention to our vlogs up in here. Yeah. So then you get the seasoning, yeah? You wanna sprinkle some up. I did. Your all-purpose seasoning, a bit of chick seasoning, bit of your chicken seasoning and them things there, yeah. Now I know that a lot of people in Jamaica cook with Maggi seasoning. I really don't, but sometimes I do. However, I find that when I cook with Maggi seasoning, the pot comes out so salt. So what I'm going to try today is I'm going to try and use quarter of a Maggi seasoning and see how that comes out. Because one thing with me, I would rather a pot be bland than too salt. I really don't like salt. Me and salt don't come from no family. You understand? Yeah. Get this one simmer and get a nice little vibes. Just like that. My little pot. Yeah. My little pot. I'm going to be cooking my tagliatelle. Tagliatelle. Muchas gracias, sonolita, mamanita. Oh. Okay. Put this back because I'm finished with it. Drop a little pepper. You know, I like to add a little bit of jerk seasoning to give it that pinch, that little punch. Yes. Open that window a bit more because that was a bit too much from I. Yes, okay.
Me.
Don't come for me, but if you do come for me, I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready for your tagliatelle. 2 tagliatelle. 3 tagliatelle. I think when you do open a packet of, like, let's say noodles, spaghetti, always remember to get a little elastic band, put it over, because if you don't do that, the freshness of it will evaporate. This is like an uncut come down with me. Well, instead of come down with me, it's come down with Julszhassan, B. And what I normally do, I normally get a bit of butter and put it in my spaghetti. But I'm going to use a butter spray because one's got less calories. So I think for every squirt you squirt, it's 1 calorie. So if I did about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's 5 calories. So you can calorie count as well with these things, which is quite nice. Oh y'all, that pepper kind of be hitting my throat the wrong way. And you know, nothing should be hitting my throat. Ooh, nothing at all. Except some, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? What have I been doing lately? Let's see. So the other day I had a live. I went live for the first time on my YouTube channel not too long ago. And that was quite nice. Oh my gosh, if you came into my live the other day, big up yourself, because you know how the live was. The live was live. Exclamation mark, okay? The live was live. It was different. You know, I got to know my subscribers a bit more. We spoke about everything, girl. Everything. If you missed out, girl, I feel sorry for you. But I will be doing more lives anyways, so you won't miss out. But trust me, the live the other night, listen, I was on live, I would say near 7 hours. Because my first live got cut off at 2 hours something, and then my second live went on for 4 hours something. What's that? Almost 7 hours, right? But it was that good. Like, it was so entertaining. I don't even know how, it was just so entertaining. It was so refreshing. I just felt like so connected. Everyone was vibes-in. You know, nobody was shy. Everyone was just doing their thing. They were answering questions. They were asking questions. They were being so, like, real. And, you know, I also felt so good because fellow YouTubers came in. Subscribers coming through in the live as well. Sorry. We had fellow YouTubers coming through the live as well. We had Julszhassan, my beautiful 5'2" Julszhassan. We had Asha from Jamaica that does makeup on her channel and vlogs as well. We had Forever Jamaican. We had Bright as Day. We had Tay from Roxy and Tay. We had Peter Gay Life. We had Makeda. Girl, my life was popping. I had all my nice Jamaicans up in here. What you mean? Yo, my bad girl subscriber from day 1, day dot since I started my channel. Listen, Ronnie Q Pink, yeah, when I was on live and I was bigging her up, this is the reason why. Because she has been riding with me from day 1. Like, when I say you have that one loyal subscriber, she has been loyal to the soil for years. Have I been on here for years? Listen to me. But no, honestly, from the get-go, Ronnie Q Pink has been devoted. Like, she's proper put it out. But yeah, honestly, everyone that came through, big up yourself. I didn't mention your name, I'm sorry. But honestly, every single last one of yous that came in, big up yourself, because the time difference was crazy. You know, and to be honest, a majority of yous actually stayed till the end of the live. I'm talking almost the whole 7 hours. So big up your damn self, okay? And it was really nice to know that they actually came through, you know? It was nice because they didn't have to, like, none of you had to, you know? But to see the support, like, I'm so overwhelmed. And then everyone was like, oh, why Tabia hiding her mom's product from me? And, you know, it's nice that we really had that support. Big excitement, big excitement. pull out your eardrums and come and listen to this, yeah? Listen, your mum, aka my mum, yeah, will be an author. It's going to be an author soon. Like, my mum's writing her first ever book, and it is going to be a biography about her life in Jamaica. And one thing I would really appreciate, guys, is once it is released, if you could please go ahead and purchase it, okay? Because one thing we believe in is being fair and being supportive, so there's no way mum's gonna overprice this book. But let me tell you, I've read it so far and it's beautifully written. The grammar is correct. The book, you can literally, when you're reading it, you can literally picture what's happening in your head. Like, it's so descriptive. It's a really good book. It's really good. Like, I'm so proud of her. She's put her hard work, energy into it. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's gonna go places because, you know, she explains how growing up in them days in Jamaica, how it was really like. So for me, it was good to hear about because I wasn't born back in them days, you know. So to hear about the things they used to eat, the words they used to use, what they used to call certain things, like, it was really interesting to read, man. And I'm so proud. So once that drops, I'll let you lot know. And I just want the support, guys. Honestly, that would mean the world to me, and it would make my mom so happy. So once it is officially out, y'all will be the first people to know, okay? And if you follow me on Snapchat, then you will definitely be the first person to know, because that's where I will be dropping the information first. Like, Snapchat will be first. I'm so proud of my mum. She has surpassed all my expectations, because y'all know that she goes to university at the moment. We go to the same university, and she'll be graduating shortly. I'm so proud. Like, she's getting A stars and, you know, big distinctions. Like, I'm so proud. You know, she's always wanted to go to uni, and she's just plucked up the courage, and she's gone to uni. Like, that is so dope. That is setting the trend for her future grandkids, her future great grandkids, everyone. Do you know what I mean? Because you know what they say, pineapple good for the pum pum. Pineapple good for the pum. Right, that is switch on the switch. Remember to turn off your switch after you finish using the appliances to save electricity, okay? When you do that.
Hey, it's nice to meet you. They approach me every time. You look so damn innocent, but I know what's on your mind. You just wanna take me and have me for yourself. Yeah, you ain't used to girls like me. Yeah, there ain't no one else. See,
what? That is really nice. Oh, should I say really sour? That's really sour. And just remember, I'm going to Jamaica soon, so you know the Jamaica vlogs are going to be turned all the way up, yeah? Because the first day that I reach, I'm going to one big bad party by the name of Time Out. I believe it's called Time Out, and it's kept in Orange Hill, Westmoreland. So I will be there. So if you're gonna be in the grill and you want a little vibes to come to, and you want to meet me, then you know where I will be. Orange Hill. Oh. I have to put it in the microwave for a little.
What, mine?
Mine.
No,
it's not that. I want the cheese to melt on it. You know what, Jules? I can almost guarantee myself that after I eat this, I'm gonna fall asleep. It's one of them dishes that make you have nigger rice on a different scale. You know? Why do some yeah? Give one up and them. Yeah.
You get ice for the thing already?
No.
For your drinks.
That pretty
Hi,
girl
MiJulsz.
now. I'll give it broke girl.
Shove the camera on me and look at the way I'm dressing so pretty.
I can cut it out if you want.
Nice MiJulsz. Prawns.
One thing I can't get over MiJulsz is cheese. I'm a cheese addict.
What's that in the sink?
Huh?
What's that? This can't hold on plate and make me shop with no one in pot.
Oh my god! Go on, go on, go on. Show them your style. Show them the original.
That's gonna be the pot for today.
Oh my god!
Then so when you eat out of pot, you don't grow a beard. You must learn. Live and learn. Live and learn, MiJulsz. Yeah? And they say if you grow a beard, your husband gonna die before you. Next thing. You have to teach people as I go along, you know.
God forbid.
And it happened to my grandma. And I did see 1 and 2 underneath and my husband died for true. And what happens? Somebody tell us them I grow a beard.
Put a chin hair too, you know.
Some people and everybody, Tabby, I just meet some things, man. I'm just telling him some things. Some things don't mean it's going to happen to everybody. Then how
Just
many
now
people
want to
grow
put, so
beard?
please make this cool.
She want it farted?
I need
my
to
God.
put one time.
MiJulsz, I would love for you to watch me eat this. It's going to be nice. Prawns. When my family gather and cook prawns, trust me. If we never war over anything else, trust me. You could say we war over it, believe me. I love it. In Jamaica it's so expensive and they don't even cook it good because it's so salty and pepper. I have to travel far to get it inside some place called Border in St. Elizabeth.
Say it properly. Border.
Hot. Have you what is? You drop it tomorrow?
Yeah.
I ate something for him.
Okay.
MiJulsz? It's mommy tattoos? Is this mine?
Yeah.
You're so smart, you don't eat it. MiJulsz, I don't eat much, but when it's something like that I really love, I'm gonna have a feast. It's like this, look. Just that because I don't like it. Just that amount. I don't like mince. Never did. Don't think I ever will. For my first time, I was trying to put cream on it. I'm going so hot that it melt the cream. If my face looks so shiny. And when it's coming to Jamaica, so you look nice.
Someone asked me on my live the other day, you're so beautiful, why do you bleach? I said because I want to and I can, yeah. They left the live. I'm sure they left it because I didn't see them comment after.
Pepper. But
I'm making my own Thousand Island sauce MiJulsz because
so nice.
I forgot to buy it at the supermarket. Your girl can do everything, you know. Look a bit of everything still.
I will mix this with that, but yeah, so
My own Thousand.
this just this.
This tastes really good.
So I should not be big pot to eat now.
This is really good. Want some?
If you understand what you pot.
This wants some good YouTube video right now, and I'm sorted. This tastes really good, guys.
Give me that McCollum food. Something is more come for you some chicken.
Hold on, babes. Hold on.
No, sir. Come close to the window.
You getting out of the earth?
No, I don't put ice cream.
Be nice, man. Be nice.
Okay. Chef, food on the juice.
Oh yeah, guys. I'm so sick. You wouldn't even understand.
What's wrong with the eye?
Well, week before Jamaica, I'm sick out bad.
Shake up that and show it up.
I'm sick out bad. So this what it looks like. It looks green and healthy, but honestly speaking, mucho bella, beautiful.
Maybe I have to remember to put on the top because the little one.
Oh yeah. Mommy, it smells of garlic, bad man.
It doesn't matter, man. I'm not the center. I'm not in the taste.
No, but sometimes
It's
I
like
want to
kind of
drink
you.
it for the taste, man.
Then make one there with
Gosh.
just, which one, man?
That one.
Which one? MiJulsz, cheers to good health, prosperity, enough love, blessings, everything that you want, need, and desire, and wish for. Shall
This
come
tastes
to you.
so good. And the bits ain't that big, innit?
You know, God put them MiJulsz. This food, if I continue, I won't be able to eat it.
Shall I go waste the people food?
And I really want to eat it. I'll be very sad not longer to eat it. What is the point of doing?
Ooh! No, man, this
Chop,
tastes
chop, chop,
good.
We'll drink it.
Sorry.
Tabby, I remember to rinse it out. Taste to go get trouble. Bye, MiJulsz.
MiJulsz, yesterday, yeah, I shouldn't be laughing at my mum, but yesterday, guess what happened? She blew up some drinks, yeah? And she came in the room with it, right? And she had a whole cup before she came in the room, right? So her second cup threw away. It was so sad. Because it tastes so good. Yep. So thank you so much for checking into another vlog. I hope you've really enjoyed it. If you have, please remember to give me a massive thumbs up. Leave a comment down below and subscribe. And don't forget, if you subscribe, please remember to click the bell. So every time I make a new post, okay? I can't do it. You know everyone's doing this. I can't do it. But anyways, if you do subscribe, okay, please remember to click the bell so every time I do post a new video or a vlog or whatever, you get notified. In addition to that, I do have a second channel which I will start posting videos on. It's more like a healthy lifestyle / beauty channel. Strictly healthy and lifestyle will be over there, but vlogging, tags, challenges and all that will be over here. So please, once again, remember to subscribe, like, comment and share so you can become one of the Julszhassan, and the Julszhassan will tell you the Julszhassan family is the baddest family on YouTube. Okay, we have motivation and we have realness, boy. Yeah, and I'll never ever ignore y'all on Snapchat like other people do. Okay. So once again, it's your girls, MiJulsz B, and I had so much fun talking to you guys. Okay, we should do this more often. And if you think the same as well, let me know in the comment section below. And until next time, okay, maybe I'm gonna try and squeeze in another vlog before Jamaica, and if I don't, it will be another live or two before Jamaica. Okay, I promise you, the Jamaica vlogs are about to be lit. Me have two big and bad party figure. Huh? Y'all ain't ready. Okay? See ya.